Welcome to this week Biotech Weekly Recap, hosted by Evergrowth BioHealthcare Capital. You have me, Dr. Harvey Chen, CEO and co-founder of Evergrowth. So today we'll share with you latest update for this Biotech Weekly Recap. We'll focus on large cap pharmaceutical company. The purpose for this Biotech Weekly Recap is to keep you all updated on the latest trend in shaping the future of biotechnology. And for that, we focus on development from the large cap biopharmaceutical company, as well as some small cap biotech company as well. Keep in mind that of the company that we present here, we do not own them. This company do not clear our investment metric, but we simply present you with information and updates so that you can stay updated on the latest trend in the biotech industry. As a disclaimer, we're not recommending you to buy, sell, or hold any biotech stock. This is for news and educational purpose only. Make sure you contact your investment advisor if you plan to buy, sell, or hold any stock. So first off, we have is ABBV.
So let's begin with ABBV Inc. With the stock ticker ABBV. They recently announced a major license agreement with Gubra to develop a GUB014295 drug. This is a long-acting amylin analog for obesity treatment. This deal includes $350 million upfront payment and up to $1.87 billion in potential milestone payments. This would be paid by ABBV to Gubra. With around 900 million adults affected by obesity worldwide, this could be a game changer.
As you can appreciate, in the past few years, the obesity drug treatment has becoming very hot in the biotech field. GLP-1 agonists by Eli Lilly have becoming a major trend. So now AbbVie is coming to the party and building their larger footprint into the obesity treatment landscape. This is very big for the company. As you can see, this deal, the upfront payment is $350 million, and then they have the milestone payment that is tally up to $1.8 billion. So AbbVie must believe in this drug. They must believe in this great prospect for this obesity drug, GLB. I'll just shorten the abbreviation 295. So 295, they must believe in this drug. It is a long-acting amylin analog. So they believe in the prospect of this drug for them to make such a huge deal. Now, that is even though this drug is still currently in phase 1 trial. When you look at the deal by various biotech company, if you look at the term and agreement, like the upfront payment as well as the milestone payment, you can gauge to see whether or not the drug has great prospect, because if it doesn't have great prospect, the large cap pharmaceutical like AbbVie, Eli Lilly, Merck, Johnson & Johnson, AstraZeneca, they will not make big bet in this situation. The bet is indeed very big. And intuitively, based on my experience in biotech for over 1.5 decades, long-acting amylin analog, I feel positive about it. I have not looked at it data, but just the first thing that comes to my mind on long-acting amylin analog is quite positive. With the long-acting analog, then the company can increase the dosing, extend out the dosing schedule, so it will be more convenient for patients. I'm excited to see how this drug will develop through its various clinical trial, so that and I hope that it will generate positive data to deliver hope for patients, also to increase value for shareholder of AbbVie. Next up is Bristol Myers Squibb, another large cap biopharmaceutical company trading under the stock ticker BMY.
Moving on to Bristol Myers Squibb, they secured European Commission approval for Opdivo Yervoy. This is for first-line treatment for unresectable or advanced hepatocellular carcinoma. And this approval was based on the Checkmate 9DW trial, showing a median overall survival of 23.7 months compared to 20.6 months with standard treatments. So as a reminder as well, they have an upcoming PDUFA date of April 21, 2025 with the US FDA. This is also for this combination therapy, which is Opdivo plus Yervoy.
I like combination treatment for cancer combo treatment, it is a cornerstone for cancer treatment because with combination treatment, the drug is attacking multiple targets on the cancer cell, and that limits the time that the cancer cell have to evolve to escape immune detection. And based on the phase 3 checkmate, the non-DW data, the improvement of overall survival was very significant in a clinical trial for patients suffering from cancer. And to study whether a cancer drug would have efficacy, there are different metrics to measure the efficacy of the drug. Progression-free survival is one of them. Overall survival is another one. Disease control rate is also another one. But I love the overall survival because that's much more meaningful and important than the other metric. Because with improved overall survival, you can be sure that this drug extended the life for the patient, which is very, very positive. And then with the EC or European Commission approval of this combo drug already for ACC, advanced hepatocellular carcinoma, that's also very positive news, because then that would increase the chance that the US FDA would approve this drug by April 21st. So it's gonna come up very soon. Just don't expect BMY to have a huge gap up in the share price, because this is just one of the many franchise of BMY. Now, if this is a small biotech company, and this is its crown jewel molecule or the lead drug, and the company has not gained any approval yet, with an approval like this, then of a drug that has a very high chance of becoming blockbuster, then the share price for the stock would gap up. But in this situation, that's not the situation. This is just one of the many molecule of BMY, but still it's a value-added development to the company. I'm happy for the company, for the investor, and importantly for patients afflicted by hepatocellular carcinoma, a deadly form of liver cancer, that they would have another option to extend their life. Next, we go to Novo Nordisk.
Last, for the large cap stocks that will feature, we have Novo Nordisk, where they are making waves with the launch of their NovoCare Pharmacy. They are offering Wegovy at a reduced cost of $499 per month for cash-paying patients. So this initiative aims to improve access to obesity treatment, especially for uninsured individuals.
This is a good move by Novo Nordisk. As you can appreciate, it's making the drug more easily accessible, available to the patient at a lower cost, so that the patient doesn't have to jump through different hoops. And by making the drug more affordable for a patient, it's going to increase accessibility to the medication, and then would improve the overall health for the patient. As you can see, obesity is the condition that is related to other comorbidity or other medical condition as well. Patients who are suffering from obesity tend to have high blood pressure, they tend to have diabetes, high cholesterol. Now, when the patient have their weight reduced, when they lose weight, then the symptom of diabetes will improve. The patient will start to enjoy improved insulin sensitivity, and then their blood pressure would also be lower. Now, with Novo Nordisk making this drug more available to the patient at a lower cost and directly to the patient, it would improve the patient accessibility to the obesity medicine. And this is one of the new obesity medicine, and that way it would improve the patient overall health. So I applaud Novo Nordisk for this development, and I'm very happy for the patient as well as for the company. For companies that want to grow in the long term, it's important for them to focus not only on innovation, making great drugs, but also making it available for the patient as well, make it friendly and easily accessible for the patient. Next is there are a couple of upcoming events or catalysts. The PDUFA action date. PDUFA stands for Prescription Drug User Fee Act. It is the deadline in which the FDA have to issue the company whether or not the FDA would approve their drug. And on March 23rd, Alnylam Pharmaceutical, stock tickers ALNY, have their drug vutrisiran going to go to the FDA for approval for ATTR amyloidosis with cardiomyopathy. This is a very important drug to treat a dreaded condition, and I hope that it would gain approval to deliver hope for the patient. Annular Pharmaceutical is not a large cap, but the cap size is already significant, over $10 billion. So we do not invest in it. Next up is our annual meeting. It will be hosted at Safety Harbor Spa and Resort. It's going to be on the 29th of this month. There's a link for you to register for the event. You don't have to be an investor of Evergrowth to event. We encourage you to event to learn more about our biotech hedge fund, as well as the latest trend developing in the biotech sector. We love to meet you there. It is free registration. Just make sure to register so that we know who's coming and we can accommodate you. That is all. Here's the QR code below. You can scan it to schedule a free consultation call with us, so you can speak to me and to learn more about our fund, to see if we are the right fit for each other. Up to date, there's a lot of volatility in the biotech sector, but our fund is still returning our gross return since our inception, which is just a little bit more than a year, still over 50%. So if you like investment that have high return, but investment that is meaningful, not meme coin, but something meaningful, like investing in company that make drug to deliver hope to patients afflicted by cancer, the company that make drug that would improve your life, then click the link below or scan the QR code. And I'll see you next week. If you want to capture this lucrative opportunity while investing in innovation that deliver hope to the patient, but you either don't have time or you don't have the expertise, reach out to us, contact us. We'll schedule a call to see if we are the right fit for each other.